Okay, we're going to install the hose and handle assembly. First, take your hose shroud, feed your lines, which is your 3 clear lines and your 2 black wires through the hose shroud. Make things easier, take silicone spray or some kind of lubricant and spray up and down the hose to slide your hose shroud on. It's very important when you thread your 2 wires up inside your hose nut that you don't get caught with the side of the nut to fray the coating of your black wires, or it will short out. Once again, the lubricant is used just to make the hose start up in the nut a lot easier. When you're putting the hose up inside the nut, make sure you keep good pressure on the hose. Once you get it started threaded clockwise, it'll make it a lot easier to thread on inside the nut. The distance we usually go by is once you've got the hose threaded about 1 inch above the nut, that should be sufficient enough to hold it. Next, then you'll need to install your 2 small set screws. Also, before you install your set screws, make sure that stretch your hose out straight to make sure that your handle on your gun is pointed straight down for ease inside the vehicle. After your set screws are installed, spray a little more lubricant on the hose shroud and slide it back up onto the side of the can and just replace it. Okay, once you've reinstalled your hose and handle assembly complete, now it's time to hook up your lines inside to your valves. First line that you're going to hook up is going to be the line that's marked air, and it goes to the fitting on the left side inside with a brass fitting where your air line goes to the top to the compressor. Your air line will be marked with blue and also have an air tag labeled on it. Once you install the air line, you just need to tighten the compression fitting 1 1/4 turns. Once your air line has been installed, now you will hook your other 3 lines up to the valves that are directly above your hose and handle assembly. Doesn't make any difference which line goes to either valve. Install the lines in the valves, and once again tighten the compression fitting in the valve 1 1/4 turns. Your hose and handle assembly, next step will be to hook up your black wires, which goes to your push button switch on the end of your gun. Right directly above to the left of the valves is a small terminal block. The 2 black wires will be hooked up to the terminal block. Once your black wires are hooked up, the hose and handle assembly installation is complete. Kleen-Rite.